Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 4721 Upshaw Street. They got a sinkhole out here at the curb, at the street, in the yard here. I came out here to inspect it for the city of Northwoods. I just did a dye test in the sinkhole. I got the camera ran out to the main here from the yard clean out. We'll go ahead and pull it back. See. Do have some dye coming in here. I use a green dye. See, we've got some green coming in here. And I got the hose running in the sinkhole. And I don't believe they're running any water inside, so. Got some water coming in at the top right here. But as you see, as I pull back, we still got more green coming in. Alright, so this is where we don't see any more green water coming in. If you get to this joint, you see it's leaking at the bottom of this joint here. Coming in on the side there. Pipe is separated. So I'm going to go ahead and locate and mark this, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I located this in the yard here, right before the sinkhole. It's 10 feet, 2 inches deep. See, we got the water coming in there, the green. Come back here, there's nothing. We're not. So it's leaking in on the side there. Like this joint's leaking on the side also, and obviously this is pouring down the top there. We'll go ahead and locate, mark this, I'll be right back. It's unlocated this just past the sinkhole in the street. It's saying it's 9 feet 2 inches out in the street. Over here in the yard, a little hill here, so it's like 10 feet 2. 10 feet 2 inches. At the main. Doesn't look to appear to have any more joints that are leaking that I can notice. I don't believe any other seams that are going towards the main are leaking, but I guess when they do the repair, they might want to put a camera in there and fill the hole full of water and dye and make sure the rest of these joints are good and not leaking. But yeah, as you see, it's definitely got some separations and water's getting in and creating this big sinkholes. Sinkholes like 10 feet deep, 8 feet deep out there. Back. See, there's been a repair done here. somebody just flushed the toilet. That's why we're seeing this water go by right now. A little separated there, but doesn't seem to be leaking any green dye into it. And then here we are at the riser pipe. The yard clean out here. Yep, and we got the sinkhole right over here in the street there. Yep, my hose is in there right now. So recommend it to be repaired. And when they do the repair, do another dye test to make sure no more joints are leaking towards the main. And, yep, thank you.